Today I'm going to test the machine that we ordered from our partner for BGIC rework machine. The model number is LV06. We ordered this machine on behalf of Repair Tech Limited in Hong Kong for our Turkish client. It's for high school purpose. They are going to teach the repair techniques by using this machine to the high school students. So let's count. And the model number, as you can see, this is the one we are ordering now. And now technician is making the setup about some parameters.
Yeah. First, we can see this is a long length motherboard. We use the universal G supported and fix it on the machine. No more. And then you can see this chip. We will offer few pieces different size hot air nozzle, but then make sure the nozzle must a little big than the chip.
You mean this one?
Yeah,
right?
this hot air nozzle. We have 4 size. 等一下. Now we pull this hand down, but not touch the chip. Leave 3 millimeter.
You mean this head should be 3 millimeter on top of the BJIC before start. But before this, you also use the tools to fix the motherboard
on the machine not move.
In order not to move it, not to shake it. So it is these tools can be adjustable position according to the motherboard type. Am I correct?
Also, the top leave distance 3 millimeter and the down also the same. You see, we not touch the.
You mean this one?
Yeah, this one.
Also 3 millimeter down from the
motherboard. Because the down also have the component. If we touch the component during your heating, the temperature reach the component temperature will melt it, and then the component will fall down. So that's why no matter up or down, we need to leave the distance about 3 millimeter.
Okay.
After all this setting well, we will edit the temperature file. For the repairing, the chip have 2 kind of temperature. One is low temperature, we call lead. The other one is high temperature, we call lead free. So the first time you repair this motherboard and this chip, we don't know the temperature. The chip is low temperature or high temperature. We will later use the machine test it. 设计一下参数。
用英文啊。
Yeah, it's better to change the. 你看不懂英文没有问题啊。
This is temperature.
Okay. So we are setting up the temperature with which degree? 255. Minimum 225, maximum 2. Okay. There are
5 steps.
5 steps.
Temperature.
哪个是爆台？
这是保存下来。Yes. The first temperature is 165 and fine group temperature is 265. This is the rate. It means every second the temperature running speed, and this is the time second. It means when the machine temperature reaches 265, the temperature will keep 90 seconds, and then go to the next temperature. After you finish this temperature, machine will automatically stop. Now after you change all these, we save this temperature. You can name here. Next time
you can change the name, right?
You can change.
For example,
1, 2.
1, 2. Yeah, okay. Setting number, for example. Yeah.
Setting number. Next time you repair the same chip, same motherboard, you can select
use the same settings.
Yeah,
select the. You can select the. For example, we can choose the different settings.
Here. we can install at least 100 name group.
100 different settings.
Yeah, you see.
Okay, so while you are repairing this machine, we can try 100 different temperature settings.
Yeah.
Because every IC has a different package, and every package has different temperature values in terms of, because of packaging size are different.
Yeah.
Right?
But the similar chip, we can use the same temperature.
Same
file.
thing. Okay.
Now we start heating. Running.
How long will it take this operation? 90 seconds?
Current cup, you see, about 35, 30.
This is the total process.
Yeah, total second.
Total second
count.
will be the total process. So as you can see, there's the first step, second step, third step, 4 until 6 step. So 35 second, 30 second, 65, and 100 second, 140, 140, and maybe 230 seconds means
4 minutes.
yeah, something like that. So total operation.
Pause.
Yeah, you can pause and make it. You can continue, but
Okay, still continue.
yeah,
Later you edit the video.
yeah,
You
and
connect.
we can edit later. You can split the videos.
你站到旁边去拿面子，等会儿到了那个温度，这个动作你要在视频里面体现一下。Later, my technical will taste whether the chip melting or not when the temperature reach 250 or 260.
How about these buttons, IR1, IR2? What are
Compose
these?
these two kind of. Some you see this motherboard is small, right?
Uh-huh.
So these two we don't need to use it. So
Oh,
we can close
okay.
it.
Oh, okay. That's
Save
why
some.
now IR1, IR2 is closed. How about the inside?
Inside we control the inside here. You see IR temperature. If
Yeah.
you don't want to list two, you can
Maybe.
reduce the number.
Reduce, but adjustment is from this panel.
Yeah.
Not, you don't have external buttons for the inner side,
No,
right?
inner inside the software. That's
Yeah, I
true.
mean inner heaters is adjusting from the menu,
Yeah.
but outer heaters,
All these two.
these two heaters is adjustment is from
Yeah.
with the manual buttons. How about this? What is this?
This when you the chip melting, you use this suction pen pick up the chip.
To pick up the chip.
Yeah.
Okay.
Also, you can use the tweezer.
How about this? Do we need to use this?
Yes, we have different hot air nozzle, different size according to the chip.
Okay. How you call it? This is
Hot air nozzle.
hot air
Nozzle.
nozzle. Nozzle. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So process is still continue. So technician is checking about.
No melting.
Do we have on-screen menu in Turkish or just English?
English and Chinese.
English and
If you
Chinese.
want Turkish, I think need your support to translate.
Okay, but we can do that. In
Yeah, I think if the Turkey language is made by the English
Uh-huh.
English word.
That's okay. I just asked for the future, not for today, but
이거 생각해야지.
maybe we need to focus on this. What are these?
This means different temperature for different zhou.
Oh, okay.
The up one, the down one, and the IR.
Ah, you mean up one, down one, and IR. IR means inside.
Yeah.
IR
This is
temp-
IR.
This is IR. Okay.
See,
IR heating.
yeah.
Is it infrared or IR means what? Why you call
IR means infrared.
Infrared.
Yeah.
Infrared heating.
Yeah.
Okay.
然后我升起来了。
你站不了台，先停，快点。
然后是这个吸笔了。
真空，对，这是真空。
Now we are going to take out the IC from the microwave. Please
Yeah.
explain.
You see the temperature? You see already reached the melting point, melting temperature. You see? Here.
Uh-huh. Oh, melting temperature is 275.
Yeah. Now you see?
It's very high because it's lead-free chip, right? And we take out the IC, stop the machine, so you can see the solders are BJ.
Team. Yeah. It's on the ball.
So we press the button.
Cooling.
A cooling one.
Here we have one cooling fan.
Ah, inside we have cooling fans.
Yeah.
Right?
Cooling. Let the motherboard cooling down.
Cooling down. Okay. So, oh, it's going down.
Yes. When the temperature reach 60, the ball already.
Oh.
Cold.
Okay.
So this is the remove process.
Understand.